What's up, YouTube? I hope everybody's doing good. Celica and I are out here enjoying a Sunday afternoon, and we're really happy because it's been raining all week long, non-stop, and today's the first day where it's been nice out. It's been kind of cloudy, but the sun's been peeking out here and there, and we're just happy to be outside. So right now we're at the lakefront in Columbia. This is a spot that I grew up skating. When I was a teenager, I used to come here a lot with my high school friends and kids around the neighborhood, and this was like our favorite place to skate. And I'm setting up a new board today and new trucks, so almost a complete new setup. And we wanted to get out of the house and get some fresh air because we've been cooped up in the house all week. So I thought, why not come here and do it?
We're also hoping that Dan doesn't get kicked out for skateboarding here.
Yeah. I don't know how strict the security is here. It used to be kind of lax when you could skate here, but I've noticed they put in some skate stoppers on the ledges over here. I'll show you guys. Those skate stoppers were not here in the past, but it still kind of looks like you could skate around them. So primarily today I'm just setting up a new board. I don't know how much skating I'll actually get done because we don't have a whole lot of time. It's late in the evening and we got work tomorrow, but I'll set the board up and see if I can skate a little bit without getting kicked out. If I don't get any skating in today, stay tuned for the next video and I'll be testing out the new board and the new trucks. Alright, so for my new setup, I wanted to go from a 7.88 deck to an 8.0 deck, but my trucks I've had for the last 4 or 5 years are a little bit too small for an 8.0. They're kind of pushing it. These are Indies. I forget what size they are, honestly, but they weren't quite wide enough for this board, but they worked. So sizing up to a wider board, I really needed new trucks. Plus these were getting pretty worn down. So I decided to try out Thunders, and I got the Team Hollow Lights. They've got hollow axles and hollow kingpins, and they feel pretty light. They're about the same height as my Indies, pretty close, maybe a tiny bit shorter, but we'll see how they do. And for my new deck, I got a new Fearless deck. For those of you who didn't know, a little while back I was trying to start a new skate company with a friend of mine, and that's pretty much been on the back burner for a good bit now. But I am still getting decks for myself. I do all the designs myself, and I get the boards manufactured in Huntington Beach, California, and I can't say exactly where, but they're one of the best wood shops in the world. So let's take a look at the new decks I got. Oh, there we go. The old one you probably can't tell anymore, but it was a cat and a mouse. Looks pretty sick. There we go. 2 freshies. Awesome. Probably should take this opportunity to clean my bearings and wheels, but frankly, I don't have the patience. So that'll have to be another video. All set up. Unfortunately, I don't have much time to ride it, but I'll hop on it and roll around a little bit before we head out. I wonder if I could roll off of this first try. Brand new board. Yeah, why not? Ugly, but it'll do. Definitely feels different, but good. Alright. I guess that's all the time we got for today, guys. I will be skating this tomorrow, so stay tuned for a video about that. And until next time, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.